Morning everyone. Today it's Christmas Day here in Canada. I'm wearing this Christmas ugly sweater. And I'll show you here. I have 4 yams. I'll call it here in Canada or sweet potatoes. I make today they call it candied yams. So I have to put this in a pot and boiled for 10 minutes and see you later. 10 minutes after the yam is partly cooked, move this in here. And now everything is in a big cooking sheet. I will peel them. Take the peel off. Skin. After removing all the skin, I will slice this yam and put it here in a baking dish like that. Now all the yams, put it in it won't fit in a one baking dish. So I have 2 here. And I will set this aside. I have 1 stick of margarine here. It's half a cup. I'll melt this in a microwave. Now the margarine is melted. I will add half a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of white sugar, two tablespoons of flour, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Mix it. Preheat the oven for 325 degrees. Now I can pour the mixture. all the potatoes are well coated with melted butter or margarine mixture. We'll bake this for an hour in 325 degrees oven. My candied yams is ready. I decided to put it in a big roasting pan because it's not enough in one baking dish. And look, looks very yummy. And thank you guys for watching my video. You have a nice day. And have yourself a Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.